Yes, good boy. Can you smile to grandmas and grandpas? Smile, Gabe. Say hello. I'm wearing my fire engine truck shirt. Yeah. Are you going to talk to them? Smile, Gabe. Hey, baby. Hey. Hi. Hey, cutie. You're scooting down in the couch. You're scooting down in the couch. Hi. Look at you. You're looking at the camera, aren't you? Say wave, say to Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi. Can you smile? Can you smile to them? Show them how cute you are. Hmm? There you go. Now you're up nice and high, aren't you? Gabriel. Gabriel. What's that big pouty lip for? What's that big pouty lip for? What? Tell me. What do you see? They don't want to see you poop, Gabe. Grandma and Grandpa don't want to see you poop. Yeah. Hey.